Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explain the ultimate oscillator, an essential tool for traders that captures momentum across multiple timeframes. We'll cover what the ultimate oscillator is, how to set it up, the best settings, interpreting buy and sell signals, combining it with other indicators, and key risk management tips. What is the ultimate oscillator? The ultimate oscillator is a momentum indicator that blends three different timeframes, short, intermediate, and long-term, to minimize false signals and provide a comprehensive view of market momentum. It helps identify overbought and oversold conditions and detects potential reversals through divergences. Setting up the ultimate oscillator. Open your trading platform and select your chart. Click on the Indicators button at the top. Type Ultimate Oscillator in the search bar and select it. The Ultimate Oscillator with default settings will appear, but you can adjust these to suit your trading style. Best settings for different time frames. Day traders should use shorter periods like 5, 10, and 15 to capture quick market movements. Swing traders should use moderate settings such as 10, 20, and 40 periods offer a balanced view. Long-term investors should use longer periods like 28, 56, and 84 help filter out short-term noise. Interpreting buy and sell signals. Buy signal occurs when the oscillator falls below 30 oversold and then rises above it. Sell signal occurs when the oscillator exceeds 70 overbought and then falls below it. Divergences are also crucial. A bullish divergence occurs when the price makes a lower low, but the oscillator makes a higher low, indicating weakening downward momentum. Conversely, a bearish divergence happens when the price hits a higher high while the oscillator forms a lower high, suggesting fading upward momentum. Combining with other indicators. For stronger signals, combine the ultimate oscillator with other indicators. Moving averages, used to confirm trend direction. Bollinger Bands. Pair with the oscillator to identify overbought and oversold conditions. RSI. Combine with the ultimate oscillator to gauge momentum and identify potential reversals. For example, if the ultimate oscillator indicates an overbought condition while the price touches the upper Bollinger Band, it might be a strong signal to consider selling. Risk management. Effective risk management is key. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. For instance, place a stop-loss below the recent support level when buying or above the recent resistance level when selling. Proper position sizing based on your risk tolerance and the asset's volatility is also essential. That's a wrap on the ultimate oscillator. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. For more in-depth information, visit our website brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading.